To introduce our new EVERLAST residential water heater. As you can see, it comes in an attractive jacket. It's an all stainless steel tank. It comes with the industry's leading warranty of a lifetime warranty. The tank sizes that we have on our residential are going to be offered in a 50 and a 40 gallon tank. The tank comes as you see it here. Again, with this attractive jacket, we have our element compartments here. In the front. We offer it in 2 wattages. We offer it in 240 volt, 4500 watt, and we also offer it in 240 volt, 3000 watt. The unit comes all pre-wired. The operation of the elements is basically it's operating in what we call a non-simultaneous mode. One element comes on first, the top one comes on first and heats the water up, and then the bottom one comes on and shuts the top one off to finish basically heating the entire tank. That's the most efficient way to utilize this system without having a very large electrical draw, which would cost a lot of money if you had to do that and run them simultaneous. This is our drain valve right here. You notice the threads. It takes a standard hose connection. It's a full port drain valve, so when you open it up, you get real good flow out of it. It's brass, not plastic, so it's built to last. Good quality drain valve that will allow the heater to, if you need to drain the tank, to get the water out very quickly. So again, this comes and it's got these little notches on here, so you can put a pipe wrench on if you ever have to adjust it or move it for whatever reason. So that is equipped with every single unit and it comes pre-installed. What I'd like to show you is the elements that are inside these boxes here, which we put with every tank. We have 2 elements with each unit. This happens to be our 4500 watt 240 volt element. One of the things you'll notice is that the construction, it's made of stainless steel, an alloy stainless steel, a very high nickel content alloy, made to resist corrosion. One of the things you'll also notice is that the base is made of stainless steel also. So not only with traditional elements, they're made out of copper or they're coated, and they have a steel base with a coating, a nickel coating on them. These are all stainless steel construction, very high quality and very durable, that resist corrosion, aggressive water conditions that you may experience in your installation. One of the things we also do is you notice the length of this element. It's a very low watt density element, which means we're not putting a lot of energy we're in a very short space. We have a very long surface area here where what we're doing is we're lowering the temperature, the surface temperature of the coil, which helps the element last longer. It also helps minimize issues related to dry firing conditions, which this is resistant to, and also much more resistant to aggressive water conditions where you might have a lot of scale. That low watt density actually keeps that temperature down and minimizes the amount of material that will attach to the surface of the element. Each element is potted. Each element comes already installed in the system. You can't take a standard element that you would find at your local retail stores and put them in our tanks because they'd only last a very short period of time. These are specifically designed to last. They're specifically designed to go into a stainless steel tank. That's why they're all constructed as stainless steel. So this one here is our 240 volt 4500 watt, and we have a 3000 watt 240 volt. Basically the same type of construction. So this is a very high quality element. It comes with every EVERLAST residential system that you buy. One of the things about this stainless steel tank is, and the beauty of having a stainless steel tank is there's no anode rods. With every glass line tank, the anode rod basically protects the tank from leaking over time and has to be maintained. With this product, because it's made out of 316L stainless steel, there's no need for an anode. So there's no anode inside the tank and there's no maintenance of replacing that anode. So the tank is, again, it's constructed of that 316L. Very high nickel grade stainless steel to resist corrosion for an extremely long time, and that's why we back it with a lifetime warranty. On our residential EVERLAST heaters, you'll notice that the electrical connections are all up on the top here. We even have different knockout sizes, 3/4 and 1/2. And the compartments are split, so it makes it real easy to wire. So all your wiring terminations will come out of the top, and we have it built in, so there's no need for an additional junction box with our units, any of the residential units we supply. Also, you have your connections for your domestic inlet and outlet. They have heat traps built in that basically keeps the heat inside the tank. And there's a dip tube on the cold water inlet that brings the cold water right to the very bottom. So what we're doing is we're basically controlling where we draw our water from the tank, from the hot water outlet, and then bringing the cold water right to the bottom of the product in order to maximize the amount of storage inside the tank that we use and heat up. So you get a very good first draw out of the system. And again, those heat traps are in there really to save energy. Our unit has an EF of 0.91 and greater, so it's a very, very highly efficient water heater, electric water heater. Provides you with very good insulating quality. We have an average of around 2 to 3 inches of foam, blown in foam around the whole tank, so it's just a big thermos that really saves, it really keeps the heat inside the vessel for a very long period of time. You notice also that we supply our pressure and temperature relief valve. Each one is supplied with each heater, so you don't have to buy it extra. And this is a safety valve that is supplied, should never be plugged, and when you pipe it, you're going to bring it about 6 inches. Go pipe it down. You can actually pipe this in various locations depending on where your drain is, which is nice. Gives you that flexibility, and then you just bring it 6 inches to any drain in the floor. So really, the unit has, with the top connects, the center lines of these top connects are 8-inch, so if you have an older heater, glass line heater, we designed this so it's very easy to replace. With the use of PEX today and the new plumbing that's out there, the flexible plumbing lines, retrofit of this should be very, very easy in a snap. And again, we designed it to maximize the efficiency, and the construction being out of stainless steel is really a really high-end water heater, and I'm sure you'll see it'll be the type of product you'll use over and over again.